Hi guys, in today's video, I'm putting together the cutest Bestie Easter basket. It's very much non-traditional, so let me show you how I did it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here are my boxes that I'll be using, and you can see they are in the pastel color to represent Easter. So we're gonna start by opening up our box and getting the bottom locked in. I got them on Amazon and they are envelope flower boxes. I folded the creases first, and after that it was pretty easy to get the bottom done. So guys, this box was also very sturdy. It actually exceeded my expectations. It was sturdier than I thought it would be. So for this first box, I'm going to be adding some pink Easter grass. If you have tissue paper, you can go ahead and use that as well. It's going to make everything fit nicely in the box and make your box look full. So this is going to be a pink themed box, and I'm starting with my first item, which is this pack of shower steamers. And the scent is citrus and peppermint. I just thought this was really nice to add to the basket. I'm adding this sangria wine spritz, and this is for the girlies that love a mixed cocktail. It's 0 grams of sugar, so that gets a check mark. I'm going to be adding my other items, and I'm going to just arrange them so it looks full and balanced. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, as it will help my channel to grow. Please also leave me a comment, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts, what you would have done differently, and what you would add to your bestie basket. So now I'm on to the next box, and this one is purple themed. So I'm going to go ahead and add my purple Easter grass, and then I'm going to be adding my items. So the items will be very similar apart from 1 or 2 pieces. So here I have the shower steamers, and this one is lavender. So we all know lavender is common, so this I'll be adding. And then I'll be adding the mixed cocktail for this one, and this is made by Crown Royal. It's a whiskey lemonade with blackberry. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this box by adding the other items, but I was also thinking self-care when I was putting these together, because sometimes the besties do need to take a little break and pamper themselves. So I must say, guys, that these boxes do fit a lot of stuff, and with everything that I've added, it's quite sturdy. Nothing is falling out. The box is not folding. So I would say it's perfect. So if you're looking for something different and non-traditional, something with a twist to gift, I would say go with these boxes. As a finishing touch, I'll be adding a ribbon bow to the front of the box, and this is totally optional. You could leave the box as is. I think it still looks really adorable. You can even tuck in a little note for your bestie to let them know how much you appreciate them. You can also customize this for different occasion, guys. It could be a birthday, Mother's Day, or even a bridesmaid box. Just choose items that goes along with the occasion and the theme. And here's the final look, guys. This is such a unique and beautiful way to gift an Easter basket, and your bestie is definitely going to love this. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.